Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
走马哥啊！
让我们一起进入客家文学的世界。2034年曾贵海先生出生在屏东嘉东6間莊，佢從細就當有才情，對於學院畢業後，除咗知識經驗，還見創作文學作品。為免咩參與社會運動，關心土地同文化，透過佢嘅文學成就，俾本世界看到台灣。
Hello everyone, it's time to learn literature in Hakka. My name is Joseph Lin, and today we're going to introduce to you a doctor-turned-poet. His name is Zeng Guihai. Now, he graduated from medical school and went on to selflessly save lives as well as produce poetry. Until the very end of his life, Chen was an active participant in social movements and cared for local cultures, helping to promote Taiwan and Hakka culture on the world stage. His legacy is sure to leave a lasting mark on the Taiwanese literary community. So we're going to learn more about his life. So let's introduce Leo back on the air. Hello, Leo.
Hey, 大家好，我是边个 Leo。
今天要聊的是曾贵海，这需要你来介绍一下喽。
好，一个曾贵海先生啊，佢係屏東嘉東嘅片嘅人哦，從細就喺客家狀態嘅，故所叫當成嘅客家嘅文學嘅底蘊哦，故所佢寫當到客家詩哦，好，從佢第一個中學2年生嘅時節，就寫提書嘅客家詩，佢要發表，本來看到佢嘅當好嘅客家嘅文化、客家嘅文學嘅成就，好，然後講到佢嘅作品啊，我相信哦，可能有些人會聽過，就是年鄉野客。原鄉夜河，這是一個客語的詩集哦。要述史記底部哈，就呈現了它很多從不同的角度來描寫這個6堆客家地區的一些歷史地理人物的一些故事。
對，他會推廣一些在地的客家文化，在他的文學作品裡面嘛。他自己本身就是屏東6堆人就對了。對，沒錯沒錯。
所以他的客語的能力啊，跟他的文學才情啊，都非常非常非常的好。
是。
然後再來呢，要講到他的這個成就，就是在那個2022年啊，他獲得了這個厄瓜多惠業基國際詩歌獎啊，國際詩歌獎啊，也 TEV 拿到一個獎項嘅亞洲詩人哦，
所以這是台灣之光哎，
對，
首位亞洲詩人得到這個獎項 ，I'm so proud of him. All right, let's teach some of the phrases associated with 曾貴海。比如說，我們要教大家怎麼說詩人，
詩人
，that's a poet, or a doctor, 醫生，
或者是說姓商
，that's another way of saying doctor. And there you have it, learning about literature in Hakka. This time with 曾貴海. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.